Southwest Florida just hit an all-time record high for inventory last week, but we're starting to see a new trend emerge that suggests that the market may not slow down as much as it has been over the last several months. So let's get right into those stats right now, starting off with Lee County. We have new listings at 586, that's up 1.4%, so no big deal there. Solds 336, that's up 67%. These are week over week, so 67% week from last week. Pendings also up 420, that's up 17% over last week. We did see the median sale price go down last week, but now it's back up 0.3%. It's been hovering right around the $400,000 range for Lee County, so no surprises there. And then active inventory, we are starting to see inventory start to decline for the first time in quite a while. 9,201, that's down 1.1% this week from last. And then we also have interest rates here down to 6.481. That's down 36 basis points since the last time I took this reading. Let's just hop over to the interest rates just to show you what's actually happening in the bond market. So a few weeks ago, about 3-4 weeks ago, we were right about here, and I said that we were going to be going up, and this white line, the 200-day moving average, is a huge resistance line, so we would probably either see it touch, which it did, and then it would start to head back lower, and it's continued to head lower ever since. We just had a huge pullback today, but I suspect that this is probably going to continue declining for a little bit longer. All right, now taking a look at the Naples market, Collier County, which is Naples and Marco. New listings at 198, that's down 1.5% from last week. Solds up 39.4% this week from last week, which is at 99 now. Pendings at 140, which is 17.6% up. And then we also again see the median sale price here down 16%. If you remember a week or two ago, we were over $1 million for the median sale price, so it's come down a bit still. But we also see in Collier County as well, active inventory starting to decline for a change, which Collier's actually hung in there pretty well over the last year or two as far as demand. So inventory hadn't really skyrocketed as much as we saw in Lee County. But again, it has been rising for quite a while now, and we are starting to see this inventory start to decline as well. So we're seeing more people actually put homes under contract right now than are getting listed. We've seen the listings actually start to slow down a bit. I think everybody who is planning to list their home realizes we're in season. This is the peak time to list your home. So I think we saw a huge rush, like we always do in the beginning of the year up through February, to get the home listed. But now that we're starting to see that actually start to slow down as well. We'll continue to stay on top of this, see how the trends play out over the next few weeks. I do think with us being in the middle of season right now, we're going to be starting to see the most amount of homes going under contract. And based on that, we will see inventory continue to decline. Like I said, there's a ton of inventory, so it needs to decline a lot for prices to start going the other way again, which is probably going to take some time. But the trend is there. It has started. We'll just have to monitor and see where things are going. I hope you guys found this information helpful. I hope you join me for the next market update next week. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already so you can stay up on the latest tips as well as the trends and stay ahead of the market. So hope to see you in the next video, but until then, stay safe, stay positive, and more importantly, stay free.